welcome to Geojay solution tutorial channel. I am Peter Emanje Adaviruku. Today, I want to show you how to set measurement units of QGIS. How to set the measurement unit of QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you. So let's go to QGIS. To set the measurement units of your QGIS, either to be in meter, kilometer, or whichever unit of your choice, what to do is you come to settings, you come to options. So when you come to options, you come to map tools. So here, this is the interface where you set everything you want to regarding the units of measurement and everything you do. For instance, the preferred distance units, if you want it in meter, you keep it at meter, or you click here, you can change it to kilometer, feet, yard, miles, nautical miles, centimeter, and other units. So you click on it. If you want it to be in meter, you keep it at meters. Then prefer area units. Here you click here. If you want it to be in square meter, if you want it to be in square kilometer and other units, you choose your preferred units. So such that any calculation you are doing, any measurement you are doing, will be done in the units you have set here. So the preferred angle units, if you want it in degree, radians, minute of arc, whichever one you want, you click on it. Then the zooming factor, you keep it at your zooming factor, and other things, your preferred scale. Here, this is where you choose it, and any other thing you want to do regarding measurement units and scale, this is where you choose it. Then your number of decimal places, by the time you make measurement, the number of decimal places, here I choose 3. If you want it to be 2, you decrease it. If you want it to increase, you increase it. So after you have done that, you click on OK. You click on OK and you restart your QGIS. So this is how to set measurement units in QGIS. Please remember to subscribe to this channel. Thank you.